What's up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day with Pinterest even if you have zero followers. So still I'm going to share with you how to get a ton of traffic from Pinterest and how you can actually monetize that traffic and how you can even start getting the followers. I will be sharing with you everything step by step. So be sure you are going to watch this video. So now we are simply going to hop onto the whiteboard, and after that I will be taking you to the Pinterest on how to get followers, how to monetize them, etc, etc. Okay, so now we are going to simply start this. Okay, so how you are going to start with Pinterest? First of all, let me tell you, getting traffic from the Pinterest is way easier, okay, as compared to getting traffic from like Facebook, etc etc is very hard, but getting traffic from Pinterest is super easy. Okay, so for example, I'm going to take you to my account, and I haven't even used the account except for 10 minutes. Okay, I just added like 10 pins or something like that, and I just added the repins. Okay, and you can see that I'm getting 153 monthly visitors. Okay, so now you can see over here it's viewers, not visitors. Okay, but literally guys, getting this many viewers without doing any work. I haven't touched my Pinterest profile from being over like 2 months. Okay, and still it is getting traffic. And just think about it, if you are going to use those tactics, how much traffic you will be generating with the time. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to share with you how you are going to start getting followers, and how to do all of the things. So one of the things that I used to do but now I do not use that tactic is, I used to do like follow and follow. Okay, and I used to use a tool, which I will be sharing with you in a minute. Okay, that tool is kind of like you have to pay price, but you can also do this automatically. Okay, so what I used to do, I used to follow like 500 people every single day, and after 24 to 48 hours, whoever is not going to follow me back, I'm going to simply unfollow him. Okay, so that is the only thing I was doing, and I was literally getting tons of followers. So maybe I do have like 5,000 followers, something like that. Okay, so let's see over here, how many followers do I have. Okay, I used to do that. There is only, you don't have to like any post. Look at this, I have over 10,000 followers, 11,000. I'm literally shocked guys, because I haven't even touched this account. Okay, and what I have done only I just use the follow and follow tactic. Okay, and I look at the pins, I just repinned the pins. Okay, I haven't done anything else. Okay, so look at this, I have over 100 pins, 111 pins, and I just repins those. Okay, I created 10 boards, and I just added the pins in them. I will be sharing that, don't worry. Okay, so the first thing to get a ton of traffic from the Pinterest is to start following other people's. Okay, when you are going to follow on the Pinterest, you are going to say, on the Instagram you can say like a 30% follow back ratio, or maybe 20%, but on the Pinterest you are going to get 50% or even more follow back ratio. That is pretty good guys, pretty good. Okay, and after the 24 to 48 hours, you can just to remove the follow, you can just unfollow the guys who are not following you back. Okay, and then what you need to do, the second thing you need to do, this is very important, this I am not doing, but you have to do this. Okay, so now you are, what you need to do over here, you are going to simply do one thing. You are going to simply create like 10 pins every single day, 10 pins, because if you are not going to create 10 pins every single day, you are not going to get traffic. And the best part I like about the Pinterest, you can add the link to your YouTube video, to your blog post in every video. Okay, and one of the great way to get the traffic that I will be sharing with you is really great way, even if you have zero following. So what you are going to do, you are going to search on the Pinterest over here, for example, you're in the internet marketing niche. So what I will do, I will just search for that, and I will search over here, and I think there is also like a I don't remember that actually. Okay, so first of all, let's just see searching for the, like, yeah, you can actually sort them by like your pins, product pins, boards. So you just need to sort them by boards, and thereafter you need to share, you need to kind of join the boards, because on the boards you can easily find like 10,000 followers. Okay, 20,000 followers. You can say that these Pinterest boards are like the Facebook groups. Okay, so but the catch is this, you are going to you will be allowed to post anything over here, and with the link. So that is the ultimate thing. I don't know what happened with the Pinterest. Okay, so what happened actually over here is, this is kind of a board where you are going to get the instant access to over 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers, etc etc. So what you are going to do, when you are going to head over to the group boards, so as I search for internet marketing, you can see over here tons and tons of group boards are coming over here. So now we are going to see which one is having a ton of followers. For example, this one is having over 1100 pins, so probably there will be a ton of followers. So what we are going to do, we are going to head over to that, and we will see that in the description over there, over here, you will find in most of the group boards how you can join them. Sometimes they will tell you simply email me at the rate etc, or simply sometimes they will tell simply DM me, okay, that I wanted to join the group boards. Or sometimes they will tell you can join the group boards instantly, but what you need to do, you need to post every picture of yours, you have to reshare the 10 pins from over here. So you can actually do that, and your pins will be reshared in huge quantity. That is the benefit, that you can get the instant access to this whole group. Okay, you can get the instant access to this 17,000 followers. So just think about it, how easy will that be? So what we are going to do in the third step, you are going to head over to these groups. First of all, you are going to search over here, then sort them by the boards, and thereafter you are going to simply join about 10, 20, 30 groups. So there is nothing to be worried about that in the Pinterest a lot. Okay, yeah, Pinterest is kind of strict, but not you can actually join about 20, 30 pins every single day. Okay, and thereafter you can actually start posting into these groups. Okay, so that is what you need to do. When you're going to start doing that, you will be started. Look at this over there, there are over 17,000 followers. Okay, so when you are going to post, let's say only 200 people are going to reshare your pins, and thereafter another let's say each one is having just 100 followers. Okay, so what you are going to get, you are going to get access to another 20,000 followers. So this is how all these things work, and you will start getting huge amounts of clicks. Okay, not that many in the initial days, but after that you will really start getting clicks. Okay, so that is what you can actually do. And there is one more thing you can do, you can actually join the Tailwind tribes. Okay, Tailwind is one of the best softwares, and I have used actually both. I used to use both two softwares. Okay, one is called Zarway. I used to just follow and follow over there with the Zarway, and there was also like Tailwind, which I used to do, which is also pretty good software. But what we are going to and is the best thing about the Tailwind is that Tailwind is also having the Tailwind tribes. Okay, they are kind of the group boards in the Tailwind. That the Tailwind, there, for example, the Tailwind has created their own community in which you can actually join other boards, and there you are going to just, it's same as group boards, where you just need to reshare the 10 pins, and your pin is also, your post is also be shared by others. So that is how people are getting literally thousands of shares from the Tailwind tribes. Okay, you can get access to a link of both of the softwares in the description. Okay, so make sure you're going to check out that, because both are having, I think, 5-day free trial. Okay, you're going to get that. But now you are going to start getting a ton of traffic. Now it's time on how you are going to monetize that traffic. Okay, because if you are not going to monetize that, probably you will be not making any money. So how you are going to monetize that, let's see over here. What you can actually do, you can actually send that traffic directly to your Shopify store, where you will be sending the stuff, and that is how you can drive the traffic for the Shopify store. But let's say you do have like a YouTube channel. So what you can do, for every YouTube video you are going to create, you can actually create a pin for that, and thereafter you can link that video, link that to your YouTube video. So in this way also you will start getting the traffic. And the third thing you can do, you can also start sending the traffic to an affiliate product, or maybe to a blog post where you are promoting a product. So that is how it's very easy to start getting the traffic from the Pinterest, especially when you are beginner. Okay, literally like Facebook takes a lot of time to drive you traffic, especially when you are beginner. You have to go in the groups, you have to put in the effort. But for the Pinterest, there's literally very less effort you need to do, but the return is really huge, guys. Okay, so I really hope that this video has helped you, and make sure to click the link in the description for 100% free training, and also be sure to subscribe this channel for more money making videos, and I will see you in the next video now.